Hello student, today we are going to make Christmas card. For that we need some colorful papers, some plain drawing papers and a big drawing paper for the card. So it should be big enough. I'm mostly taking a half imperial paper because I'm going to make a pop-up card, so I will need a big paper. Take a chart paper, very thick one, drawing paper for the card, and for this you can take little bit normal drawing book paper and some colorful chart paper, tinted paper I'm taking. Okay, and yes children, if you don't want to draw something, then you can take a printout of drawings. So I'm going to show you a Christmas one. So I had drawn for you already. See, if you're drawing, you have to at least, this is almost 2.5 inch I had lift the, see now I had colored this. Now what to do? Okay, we will see, folding this. You can take plain white paper for the card, or see I had taken this card, I had do taping to the border for this inside portion. This is very important for us, so we will start doing that. We are going to cut on this border line. Okay, all the border line we are going to cut. First we will cut it, and back side little bit of grass here, and if you want you can add some trees also. So further, just on the outline. Okay, don't cut this. This is the main portion where we are going to get the pop-up card. So leaving this line, you're going to cut from here this way. This way I'm going to go like this. Okay, the whole thing we are going to do it. Chalo, let's cut it. See, I'm not cutting from here, I'm cutting from this line, the folding line. I'm starting with this, I'm just going outside line. See that you're leaving little bit of the white paper like a border. We have to cut it. Now this cutout is ready. Now we are going to draw a little bit front portion also. So I'm taking this paper. Okay, I will take one more green paper, light green color. See my color. So first remember that you have to make this strip to make the stand for the card. This is very important. This strip is very important, where we also had left here. See, I had left big because this portion is big, so we need this stand should be strong. This is very small, so I'm keeping very small strip here. Same way I'm going to have this also. Draw the grass shape and then cut it. Okay, see when I cut, see I get two parts, so I already get more green dark yellows. Same way we are going to cut for this also. Okay, see, when you cut it this way, you will get two pieces. First thing, we have to fold this into two. Okay, this way, and in the center we are going to place this. Okay, in the center we are going to place this. Whatever the center will come, it's okay. Now this also we are already folded, because what happened, if your height goes more, when you fold it the card, this might come like this. So this is very important. Before you stick it very carefully first. Now I'm just going to have this fold like this. See, a little bit of triangle need to be cut the triangle. Okay, this triangle is cut. Now see, this way you are going to place it. Okay, now just hold it without sticking it and then try to close it. Okay, see, it's coming little bit out. So what you have to do now, whichever position you had fixed it, go little bit that side. Okay, to the upper side. Now again see, when you are folding, this is coming. Okay, go it slightly. Okay, now hold it like this. See, like this, and then try to close it. Okay, yes, done. So this is not coming out, and this is a perfect thing. So just gently you put the point here. Okay, put the point here. So you have to place here. I'm going to draw a light line on the slanting one also, and here I'm going to put a point this side. So I know where now I have to place it. This is done. For this also, for the green also we will do. First we will stick this. Okay, we will do first sticking this portion. See, I had already have a point, so I don't have any tension about this. Now just put the glue to the whole strip. Okay, okay, I put the glue. Now just first bend it like this, where we have put in the point. Go to the point. Okay, in the center, children, don't forget about the center. See, I will show in this side. See, where my marking is there, See this point where I had marked the pencil line. Can you see? This is very good that we had made the point. So now it's not difficult to me to fix this. Now this is fixed now. Okay, done. Now this thing is standing. Okay, yeah, it's looking pretty. See, it's looking pretty now. Now what I'm going to do, little bit grass here, so it make a fold, make a triangle shape, and then cut off in the front this way. See that again what we have to do? Yes, don't forget about when you're closing, this shouldn't come out. Okay, see that it is not coming out. Just make it V shape and then stick it. Going to see it. Wow, it's not coming out. If it is coming out, see if the grass is seeing, what you can do it, just chop it. Okay, just make a cutting and it's done to ready. Now for the front one, we will go very, for this we will keep very simple, just a bale. Okay, and just this much we will put it. Okay, front side. Okay, let's see when we open it how it's going to open it. It's full pop-up card and you will enjoy making your card. And yes, please send your photo with this your card, and see that you're clicking your photo with your card and sending to me. Till then, happy Christmas.